The current model of helping people with epilepsy lacks information and data, which we will address. People with epilepsy can sometimes spend their lives trying to find the right medication for them. This process involves talking to their physician every couple of months and updating them with how their seizures have been since their last meeting. The information they usually give is broad, qualitative, and sometimes inaccurate. This can make it difficult for the physician to know how to best adjust the medication. Secondly, the main method to collect biomarker data is by having patients stay in the epilepsy monitoring unit. This is a time-consuming process and happens infrequently. When the person with epilepsy is outside of the monitoring unit, there isn't a universally adopted method to collect physiological data. Both of these problems are solved with our iPhone app called Epiphany. Epiphany combines the concept of a seizure diary with the integration of a heart rate sensor that provides raw ECG, accelerometry, and heart rate data. The app is made to be very easy to use, as you can set your default preferences, then every time you log a seizure, it only needs 2 button presses. When you log a seizure, the data around that time frame gets stored to that specific entry, allowing you to later download the raw data for each seizure. You can choose to send that data to your physician if it was an irregular seizure, or your physician can also look at the general trends visualized on the app. The current visualizations include seizure frequency and change in heart rate. The seizure frequency can be organized by date or hour, where the date organization lets you easily see if your seizures are happening more often or not, and the hour organization lets you see what time of day your seizures happen, both of which can help medication prescription. The change in heart rate graph captures if the heart rate was elevated during the seizure. This particular physiological response helps physicians decide if the person with epilepsy is a candidate for vagus nerve stimulation. The integration of tracking physiological data with an organized seizure journal is novel and currently missing in the market. The app makes it easy to share quantitative, accurate information to your physician, which results in better medication prescriptions and thus an improved quality of life. This idea of integrating biomarkers with journal records creates unending possibilities, which this app can further explore. Some thoughts for future directions include more visualizations of the raw data, integrating more biosensors, and using the biomarkers with a machine learning algorithm to predict seizures. Thank you.